making craft things for Mother's Day, but my mom doesn't know. So the first thing we're gonna make today is 3 pots that say love you mom. So the material we need for this is 3 pots, any size you want, some seashells, some sticky tape, any color, and some hot glue, scissors, pencils, a board, and some floor moss. So first we'll write love you mom on this chart paper and then cut them out.
Want to cut the heart?
Yeah, cut the mom.
Ah, it's hard for me.
So now we cut it out these 3 letters. Now we're gonna glue them.
Now we have done all the 3 of the cups.
Yeah, so now we're gonna put the floral moss in the cups.
Yeah.
Put it in there. No, Dad, it's too much.
No.
Put some on it, okay?
Like you just that.
Pick up these. Just like ones that you draw.
I'm doing this one. Why is it so quiet? Now I need to stop.
Okay, so now we put the hot glue to get hot. So then we'll stick these right in the front, and then we'll use the pencil, stick them on the pencil, and then poke them in.
Like this. Like this. That's how you do it.
So now we're gonna put hot glue on this pot, and then
Oh, hot glue. Oh, it's so good, nice. I love hot glue. I love to eat hot glue.
we have glued the seashells on the pots. Now we're gonna glue the heart, you and mom
Yeah,
to the pencil.
Yeah, 2 pencils.
And I'm doing it because Jan doesn't know.
So now he's doing the heart on the pencil. Watch him how he does. It's gonna look real. Press it. So now we have made the first heart. Look at it. It's not even failing in anything. See?
Don't play with it too much.
This is the second one. Yay! We're doing the love. Yay! That's your third one? And that is the third one. So now we're putting the pencils.
Now our flower pots are ready.
Now this is love you mom.
So we're done for this. Now we're gonna move on to our second one. So this is our second project. So the second one is a popsicle frame. So just take a cardboard piece of paper, cut it to make a frame. The idea is to put popsicles around this picture to make it look like a frame. So first we'll start by gluing this picture onto the frame.
So now we have done.
Okay, so now we glued it in. So now we're gonna design it with popsicles. We need the picture, frame, hot glue, and popsicles. So let's get started. So what idea we are using is to put 2 popsicles around the side and then put another 2
popsicles.
to make it look like this.
What are you doing?
So let's do this much. So after we put these to the side, if there's any extra white space, just cut it off with the scissor. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing on the top, 2 here to cover the white spaces, and on the bottom. So let's glue.
Make like count till 10. 1, 2, Good job, you're doing a good job.
So now we have firmly pressed it and made our popsicle frame. To make it balance, you can glue a popsicle stick if you want, or I just did it like. Now we have made our popsicle frame. So we made 2 items. This is our third and last thing we're making. So what it is we took a cup and then I called my dad to cut it and take it to this much. Now we cut it to the size to fit around, and now we have to take the thing off and put it around. You wanna do it, Branch? So just take it out and then tape it around. Got it? Here, let me help you. So now it's a little curvy, so just try to fit it around the thing. And now the extra portion of it, cut it out with scissors. Okay, so now we cut it. Now we're gonna put these Smarties like this all around. So we put these Smarties all around, and then we can add a flower in between. All around it. Flowers to make it look good. So we put as many flowers as we want, and then we put the favorite candy of your mom. My mom's favorite candy is Smarties, and now it is done. We made all 3 of our projects. Yeah. The first one, Love You Mom, the pots. The second one, the popsicle frame, and the third one, the candy box. So now we made all these things to give to our mom. Tell us in the comments below how you like our handmade gifts and give some suggestions of how we can improve in our videos. We like your support. Please subscribe and support us. So please follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you for everyone who subscribed to our channel and likes and watches our channel. Don't forget, on Instagram, send us your clips of how you enjoy your weekend so we can show it on our next YouTube video. We'll make a whole video of everyone who send us a clip, and we'll show it on a video. Bye! And then don't... and what was I gonna say?
Please click this video and have